How to find parking spot on Google Maps iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Google Maps offers satellite imagery, real-time traffic conditions, and route planning for traveling. Once you're here, tap on the More button as shown. This will take you to a list of categories. Scroll down through the Services section and tap on the Parking option. The map will now display all the nearby parking lots available in your area. You can scroll the list at the bottom or tap on your desired parking lot to view its details. On the Details page, tap on the Directions button. The app will now show you the fastest route to your destination, along with the estimated travel time. Following these steps, you can easily find a parking spot on Google Maps for iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.